All right, guys, so to log into Plato, which is going to be your main curriculum, you're going to log in through Clever. So once you log into Clever, you should see lots of different apps, and the one that you're going to use is this kind of rainbow E called Edmentum, and you can just click on that, and it's going to log you straight into Plato, and you're going to be able to see all of your active classes. So it'll show you, if you're on pace or not. So it tells you when this class is due. So this class has to be finished by December 18th, so before we go on winter break. And you can see that this is social studies. Down here we have English. And if you click on all activities, you'll be able to go into that class and see what's there. So if we click on that, we can go in here and see all the information that we have. So we can see we have 33 total assignments here. We've completed 0% of them. It's on pace right now because school hasn't started. If you get behind pace and you don't have assignments complete that were already due, this will change and it will show you that you're behind pace. And you can see that here are all of your different units for this class. And if you click on them, you can see all of your different assignments here, and you'll see that every single assignment has a due date. So that's how you know what to complete on what day. You'll notice that on your pacing guide, it looks like this, and it says complete assignments due by due dates for ELA, for math, for science, for social studies, and for writing. And what that means is if you are completing assignments next week, then by the end of next week, you should have completed this assignment for September 9th and this assignment for September 11th. Those are the only two things that need to be completed for this specific class for this student by the end of next week. So you're probably not going to have assignments every single day in every single class. You just have to make sure that you get them done by the time that they're due. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to wait until September 11th to finish this assignment that's due on September 11th. You can start it on Monday so that gives you time to work on it throughout the week. It might be a longer assignment, so you don't want to wait until the last minute, but it means that it has to be completed and turned in by September 11th in order for it to be finished on time. So on your pacing guide, when you see that you need to be checking those things off each day, you may not have an assignment every single day in all of those classes. You just need to make sure that if you do have one that is due that day, you're getting it completed by the time that it's due. You don't want to have late assignments. You don't want to get behind pace. If we look up here, you have all these different tabs that you can go to, so you can see all of the assignments that you've completed. Obviously, school has not started yet, so we haven't completed anything. You can see the things that you haven't mastered, the assignments that you have in progress, the things that you have not started, the things that are past target, so those would be past due assignments that the due date has already come and you have not turned them in yet, and then your weekly target. Your weekly target is going to show you everything that's due this week in order for you to stay on pace and turn everything in on time. So for this week, it shows that by today, you're supposed to complete the pretest. That's not true. That's actually going to be for next week, but it's going to tell you everything that you need to have completed by that week.